Being busy is not synonymous with being productive. Many times we have so many pending activities that the results in daily tasks are not reflected as we wish. That is why we can look for alternatives that help us to streamline work and personal life. This is a selection of applications that can be of great help to improve your performance. AnyDo. In this application, you can make lists of tasks, have a calendar and reminder functions at your disposal. You can synchronize with other devices, offer reminders to schedule your time. Also, easily see events and tasks of the day, follow up on tasks before and after. You can make reminders easily with your voice. Forest. Stay focused. It's a solution for problems of cell phone addiction. It works by planting a seed, which you must take care of since it represents your successes. The sense of success and responsibility will help you to stop using your cell phone for so long, allowing you to take more time and focus on what really matters. Fabulous. Motivate me. It is a training program to achieve your goals. Get more energy, eat healthy, sleep better, lose weight and stay motivated. It works presenting smart and healthy goals, programs and routines that help you achieve your goals. Trello. This application is collaborative and allows you to have a common vision of your projects, since you can work as a team creating boards, customize workflows, and attach files from Google Drive and Dropbox. Evernote. One of the most known and used worldwide, it was born as an application of notes to become a powerful task management tool, allowing you to add photos, voice notes, lists, project management, alerts, tracking, file sharing, and make group chats.